Hi, kindergarten. Are you ready for work time? It's Thursday, and on Thursdays, we use our Smart Start paper. Let me know if you don't have any more Smart Start paper, and I will send you some, okay? I will email your mom, and they can print it off. Or I can come drop it off at your house. You let me know, okay? So, this is our last letter of the week, kindergarten, and it's the letter U. So, don't forget, we're going to write our name on the top. My name is Mrs. You're going to write your first and last name, like Zachary Boyton or Joshua Chow, Elodie Garcia, Daniel Arcieri, right? Regan Greco, Charlie Paradise. Okay, if you want to send me a picture of your U's too, Mary, let me know. Okay, Ellie June, how are you doing? Okay, ready? We're going to start at the sky. We're going to go down to the ground, and we're looping around. I hear a whoosh when I make it. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh, that one's not touching the ground. Gotta get rid of that one. We all make mistakes, so yes, we do. All make mistakes, so yes, we do. You know why? Because I was going too fast, kindergarten. That's why. And we don't want it to be like a V. See? The difference? No. And the capital U doesn't get a little hook like this. Remember, kindergarten, this all happens below. We start at the gate, we go down to the ground, and then we go straight back down. I don't want it to go like this. Okay? That looks like a little tent, and it looks like a bear is going to move in. We can't have any little caves going on our U's. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to make an uppercase and a lowercase. Uppercase and a lowercase. Yes, I would love to see your U's if you want. Oh, that one's below the ground. If you want to send me some, I would love to see them. And you need to think of a U word. Mrs. Castellano is going to write the word. Let's see. Oh, I don't like that U. I'm going to write the word unequal. Unequal. Let me see if that's unequal. Unequal. You know, 4 and 5 are unequal, right? If I give Jesse 3 candies and I give Luke 4 candies, that would be unequal, right? Not the same. So, kindergarten, you're going to do your Smart Start paper, and then you're going to write in your journal. Give me a sentence about under the sea. Or you can give me a sentence with a U word in it. Maybe you want to write about unicorns today. Maybe you want to write about the Undertale. Maybe you want to write about Uggs you have, right? Charlie gave me the word. Maybe you want to write about the time you had a ride in an Uber. I don't know. But I would love to see your sentence. So try your best. We start our sentence with a capital. We have finger spaces between our words. We don't put capitals in the middle of our sentence unless it's a proper noun, right? Unless it's the name of something. And we end our sentence with a, that's right, an end mark. That's right, period and end mark. Okay, kindergarten, so that's what we're doing today. You're doing your Smart Start paper, you're doing your journal, and you're signing in. Right? Don't forget to sign in because that's extra practice in writing. It helps get your hands nice and strong. Kindergarten, today in math is the last time we're going to be talking about counting by tens. And then we're starting something really cool tomorrow. Should I give you a hint? Maybe you already know. Maybe you looked at your math book already. I'm going to show you anyway, so I'm going to give you a hint. We're going to page 161 today. I started from the back today, kindergarten, because look, that's the front. I started from the back because we're so close. First, let me show you. Let me give you a hint of what we're starting tomorrow. You ready? What? Did you guys know we were going to learn to tell time? Well, we're going to give it a little bit of a go. We're going to try. Okay, kindergarten. We are going to page 161 today. Okay? So over here, we're doing the same thing we did yesterday. We're gonna count out groups of 10. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if there's 10 little triangles in this big triangle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 there. So there's one group of 10. I think it's safe to assume there's 10 there. I think it's safe to assume there's 10 there. So how many groups of 10 do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many ones do we have left? That's right, we have 2. So what number is this? What number is that? 32, that's right. Let's see if there's 10 in a group here. It's better to be safe than sorry, kindergarten. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 10. Okay, so there's 10 there. One group. Two groups. Three groups. Four groups. And how many ones do I have left over? That's right. What number is this? 41. That's right, kindergarten. Okay, so we're doing page 161. And then we're doing this page 162. Okay, kindergarten. This girl is counting by fives, but she started at 10. But she's still counting by fives because I can see the fives here. Do you see them? If she was counting by 10, they would be all zeros, right? Because when we count by tens, there's nothing in the ones place. There's 0 in the ones place. So, if we pretended we started from 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and what will come next, kindergarten? 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to work on time. Okay, kindergarten. Yesterday we started a brand new book. We started a Magic Treehouse book. A Magic Treehouse book. It's so odd that Annie and Jack found a treehouse. Do you think that's the Magic Treehouse? Are you guys ready to find out? Let's find out. Yesterday, like I said, here's Annie and Jack. In case you missed yesterday, here's Annie and Jack. Annie and Jack live in Pennsylvania. They live in a town called something Creek. Mrs.Castellano forgets what it's called. I will find it. Well, it's in Pennsylvania and it's called something Creek, but I think they referenced the name of the town back again in these books. Oh, Frog Creek, Pennsylvania. And they're going in the woods, and Annie found a treehouse, and she climbed up it, and she yelled out, and she said, "Jack, it's full of books." Jack's like, "I love books." Okay, let's find out what happened in chapter 2. The monster. Jack crawled into the treehouse. Remember, he didn't really want to go up there, but she said books, and then he's like, "Oh, I'm in." Jack crawled into the treehouse. "Wow," he said, "the tree is filled with books." The treehouse was filled with books. Books were everywhere. Very old books with dusty covers and new books with shiny bright covers. "Look," said Annie. "You can see far away." She was peering out of the treehouse window. Jack looked out the window with her. Below, up were the tops of other trees. In the distance, you could see Frog Creek Library and the elementary school and the park. Annie pointed in the other direction. "There's our house," she said. Annie was right. Jack could see a white wooden house with its green porch. In the yard next door, the neighbor's black dog, Henry, looked very tiny. "Hi, Henry," shouted Annie. "Shh, we're not supposed to be up here," said Jack. Jack glanced around the treehouse again. He noticed the bookmarks were sticking out of many of the books. "I wonder who owns all these books," he said. "I like this one," said Annie. She picked up the book with a castle on the cover. "Here's a book about Pennsylvania," said Jack. He turned to the page with the bookmark. "Hey, it's a picture of Frog Creek," said Jack. "It's a picture of these woods." "Oh, here's a book for you," said Annie. She held up a book about dinosaurs. A blue silk bookmark was sticking out of it. "Let me see," said Jack. He set his backpack down on the floor and grabbed the book from Annie. "Okay, you look at this one, and I'll look at the one about castles," said Annie. "No, we better not," said Jack. "We don't know who these books belong to." But even as he said it, Jack was opening the dinosaur book to the place where the bookmark was. He couldn't help himself. I guess he really liked books, kindergarten. Jack turned to a picture of an ancient flying reptile. He recognized it as a pterodon. He touched the huge bat-like wings in the picture. "Wow," said Jack. "I wish I could go." back to the time of the pterodons. Jack studied a picture of the odd-looking creature soaring through the sky. Ah! Screamed Annie. What? Said Jack. A monster! Annie cried. She pointed out the treehouse window. Stop pretending, Annie, said Jack. No, really, said Annie. Jack looked out the window. A giant creature was gliding above the treetops. It had long, weird crest on its back of its head, a skinny beak, huge bat wings. It was a real, live, what do you think, kindergarten? Pterodon. The creature swooped through the air. It looked like a glider plane. It was coming straight towards the treehouse. Get down! Cried Annie. Miss Castellano's getting down. Jack and Annie crouched on the floor. The wind started to blow. The tree started to spin. It spun faster and faster. Then everything was still. Absolutely still. Kindergarten, that's the end of chapter 2. Oh my goodness. The next chapter is called Where is Here? I wonder what's going to happen in chapter 3. Okay, kindergarten, I hope you have a great day. I can't wait to read chapter 3 to you on Fantastic Friday. Bye, kindergarten.